So for all this, I have been wanting one of these for a long time. Let's see what I got. This is the acetylene tank, oxygen tank, 2 gauges. It came with, looks to be in good shape. It's been sitting outside a little bit, but I don't see any rust. I think it's just debris. Let's see what came in this. Alright. Don't know what that is. Not so good. Let's try this one. There we go. That one works. It works well. Extra adapter. We got another one here. Ooh, I like this one. The feel of this one. Oh yeah, this one's much better. Oh, that's a good one. Alright. What are these things? These are little wire brushes. This probably cleans these out. Cleans these holes out. That'll be nice to have. What is this? Some sort of a translucent, I don't know. Alright, let's fire this thing up, see if we can get it working. Alright, green for oxygen and red for acetylene. You can't really mix this up because there's 2 different types of connectors here. Is it reverse? Ah, I think it is. Well, there you go. That is a reverse connection on the acetylene, regular on the oxygen. You can't really mess that up because there's 2 different connectors on here and they're marked. And the green goes on oxygen, red on acetylene. And this is a reverse connection and this is a regular connection. So there's like multiple layers of like redundancy here. Alright, let's try this.
Have you watched a YouTube video?
No. I'm making one though.
Okay, wait.
We got red, so you got the acetylene first. Okay, let's turn these on. Okay, I heard that go on. Like how it pops. Okay, so it doesn't do anything when I turn on the oxygen until I do it up here. So that's just the oxygen flow, and then I can dial it in up here. There we go. There we go. Oh, it's bright. Now we need to cut something. Let me turn it off for now. So yeah, so that turns off the oxygen up there, and then we can turn it off here. Perfect. Okay. We have a old stop sign here. We're going to cut through. Give this a shot. All right, gas on. Woo. I don't think that's on high enough. There we go. That's what you want to hear. Okay. I probably need good shoes on too. Whew. You get it hot? We need more oxygen. Too much oxygen, it pops out. This takes a little practice. Blow it out. There you go. Here it goes. Let's check out this cut. Oh, that's a fine cut right there. You basically wait till it gets red and then you just blow it out. And this is like pretty weak steel, but what do you think? Just gotta wear proper clothes so it doesn't fall on your shoes. All right, so what temperature does this get up to?
5,700 degrees Fahrenheit or 3,000 Celsius.
And Simon also figured out what this was. I guess I should have known. It's just an ashtray, I think. I was thinking it was something you could peer through and it kind of, you know, someone can hold up and, you know, protect their eyes.
Oh, there's 2 camels on it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I should have known with the camels.
2 smoking camels.
Yeah, so we won't use this around here. So for all this, I paid $150, not including fuel to get there. Took my diesel truck, was about 40 miles there, 40 miles back. I only get about 11 miles a gallon on this thing. Diesel these days, at least $5. It's probably 20 bucks there, 20 bucks back. So maybe throw in another 40 bucks. So maybe 190 all in for this. Is that a good deal? I'm just gonna guess what this is.
It's from Pink Panther. Is it not?
Well, that is a camel, yes.
It's a camel. Oh, it's an ashtray.
Ah, she got it. What was your first guess?
Freezer packs.
Okay, you got it.
So it's an ashtray now that I know they're camels.
Yeah, no, you saw that.
Because I thought this was Pink Panther.
Oh, you thought it was a panther, not a camel. I gave it away then. Okay. This is trash. Oh, I know who did this. Yeah.